Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Adopt.me, and also if you guys see this whole thing, this whole autumn theme, it was it was the update. So the update is the update. So the update is the fall update. Oh my gosh, I feel so weird. No one's aligned. Like, look at Heike, her avatar. So look at his fall update. I'm just gonna go to about. Okay. Rise and dress cute, decorate your house and play with your friends in the magical friendly world of Adopt.me on Roblox. Fall in air. New fall extraordinaries and furniture. I didn't know that. New hot spring area, get $2. What? Only $2? You only rattle the distance. Yeah. And follow me on Twitter, which I don't have it. So young. Oh my gosh, why am I here? So, oh, what did she got? Or did she just... I don't know. Okay. So, you see, I was just playing Adopt.me as usual. Adopt.me, yeah. ABC to Trust Trade, yeah. No, I don't do that, but I saw that. And then, yeah. And then, I just went into my house, and then it says like, yeah. Okay, you know what? So it says, I keep saying freaking So, oh my gosh, I suck. So I was just playing blah blah blah, and then I got left the game like automatically, and it says like doing the update something, and then this is so hard to explain. But then like I was like, what? Did the thing shut down or something? But no. And then when I joined back, I got this one called Leaf Crown. I got a crown that is a leaf crown, And also I got 4 sloth, so I can make neon. So yeah, 4, the sloth. Oh my gosh. First the fossil eggs, now this autumn thing. And also I am going to apologize for swearing in the last video. Go check it out. At the same time, don't check it out because I feel so bad. I didn't meant to swear. Like, I didn't know I just sweared it. So, Ike just watched my video. And she's like, Teresa, you sweared in your video. And I was like, what? I did? Where? And then she showed it to me. I was like, oh my gosh. I have to apologize in my next video. Oh my gosh, not again. This keeps freaking happening. So, oh my gosh. So, and also I am doing this thing. I am doing this thing which I like build for people's house, and then they only pay me $20 or $10. I don't mind. And I borrowed Ike's ice cream truck. I'm doing the money thing because I really need the money, and right now I have 2,000. Yeah, that's why you should like do that. And also guys, here's a little secret. I actually don't really know how to build. I just look at people. I just look at YouTube channels, but you guys can also do that. And yeah, and they turn out to like it. I didn't know that they would like it. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my house now and see the furnitures because I wanna see the furnitures. Oh my gosh, right now it's 9 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh, again. 9 o'clock, and it's like 9 o'clock. Not really much people is sleeping right now. Mostly Aiki, she sleeps at 10. But me, I sleep at 3. Oh my gosh, this is yellow, 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 yellow. Greenish yellow. Mine's a pastel yellow. Maybe I should just change the color a bit. Because it's odd. Nah, I like my house. Okay. Let's add a house. Let's go to stuff. Oh my gosh! Did you just see that? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm just gonna. You see that fall? Okay, yeah. You can stay there. So fall. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna put you right here so you guys can see this. Oh my gosh, like the stubby pumpkin, a vintage lantern. Ooh, vintage. These fall dining chairs, bamboozles. What? This bed hot spring. You know, and also guys, this is really sorry, but I decided to do this like the pet spot because the pet spot. So this is mine, Aiki, Stacy, and Kayla's. So, but I didn't want to buy it because I didn't want to waste my money, so I didn't buy it. So yeah, I'm gonna buy it later, but not now. I kind of want to buy the hot spring though. But no, Teresa, your dirty little hand, don't do it. Not dirty. Your little hand. Hi. By the way, if you guys are thinking, why is my house so rubbish? Because I'm too lazy to build, but I have to build for people, for my money. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, is there new walls? I'm gonna sign. New walls, new floors. Oh my gosh. Load up already. They should add like a new wall if they have. Stop being so not loading. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, there I don't see any walls, so I don't new walls, but so I don't sign it. Wait, why am I doing? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna end this video because I have nothing to do. So, oh my gosh. Wait, I could show my inventory, my dress thing. So my closet. You know what? I'm just gonna go to my closet for this because. Okay. Right now, I'm very creepy right now with the mask. So, I'm gonna put on my aesthetic outfit. This is not really aesthetic, but let's just call it aesthetic. Where does my head go? Where is my head? I don't want to be headless. But in one of my, here, I have a head. So, I'm just gonna go to Betty. The Betty is the one that I'm wearing right now. And I Still People. Yes, I Kidnapped Kayla. If you haven't watched that yet, go to Aiki's channel and watch that. We're doing a part 2, if I know. But they're still finding me. They don't know it's me, but Kayla does. Kayla is very oldly. But Kayla is very sad right now. This is Halloween. This one is the one that I don't have head. Rosie from TikTok. So if you guys don't know, I have this TikTok account. It's called XO Rosie XO Roblox, I think. But now it's my main TikTok, which is Teresa2YT. Go and follow me because right now I have less followers. Like, I'm really bad. And this is the Dark Rosie. This is Leah Ash. I tried my best, but I didn't really find it. I did Princess because I don't know. So, oh wait. This is Hakwan, if you haven't seen this. Oh my gosh, if you haven't seen this, I think this is also from my Teresa 2 by team. And also, I do have like these, I don't know anymore. So this is the box, the books, and these three are just casual. The baby casual and my Roblox avatar, those are just casual. But yes. Okay, that is it. So I'm just gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification squads. Squads. Turn on the post notification squad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to. I just said it again. I'm so dumb. Okay, but. Yeah. And if you don't subscribe to me, I'll cry. Like, with this head on. I still don't have a freaking head right now. Like, I'm headless. Wait, let me wear my head if I'm mode headless. Where is my head? I don't have a head. There we go, now I have a head. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications on. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. And if you don't subscribe, I'll cry. Okay, now bye guys.